Hey everyone! Today, I'm diving into the world of cryptography. So, what exactly is cryptography? Simply put, it's the art of securing information. Imagine you have a secret message. Cryptography takes that message and scrambles it into a code that only a person with the right key can unlock. Let's break down the basics. At its core, cryptography uses algorithms, fancy math problems, to transform readable data into unreadable gibberish. This process is called encryption. When the intended recipient gets the coded message, they use a key to decrypt it, turning it back into its original form. Now, why is this important? In our digital age, we share tons of sensitive information online, from passwords to bank details. Cryptography ensures that even if someone intercepts your data, they can't make sense of it without the decryption key. One common method is symmetric encryption. Here, the same key is used for both encrypting and decrypting the data. It's fast, but both parties need to keep the key secret. Then there's asymmetric encryption, which uses a pair of keys, a public key to encrypt and a private key to decrypt. This method is more secure because only the private key needs to be kept secret. Remember, cryptography isn't just for tech geeks. It's a vital part of our everyday lives, keeping your online transactions, messaging apps, and even emails safe. So next time you shop online or send a private message, give a nod to cryptography for keeping your data secure. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech explainers. Stay safe and stay curious.